Guys, in here is batch number 1 of the best compost, screened at 4mm. It's absolutely incredible. It's got a higher NPK ratio than field compost number 4. It's screened at 4mm and it is from CDB Topsoil. They are rebranding. Their name is now Mantle Sun. So remember that. So CDB is now Mantle Sun. If you put CDB in Google, you'll still get their website, but it is going for a rebrand and a name change. So field compost number 4, for me, it's quite expensive. This is actually cheaper. It's got a pH value of 6.5 to 7, perfect for grass, whereas field number 4 is at 8.5. It's on the higher end, so this is perfect, absolutely spot on. We've been working on it. Well, I've been helping them and they've achieved it. Screened at 4mm, much richer in nutrients. Let's have a look. Come and have a look at this. Okay, look at that. So it's being rebranded Mantle Sun. Don't forget that. This is now going on sale. Look at this. This is absolutely incredible, guys. So look at that. All those nutrients, organic matter. It just crumbles through my fingers. So, wow, I'm so excited. Let's get it in the wheelbarrow and I'll show you out on the lawn. That is amazing. Look at that, how fine that is. Oh wow. So, moving forward, this is all I'll be using. Just look here. Wowzers. Okay, so the purpose of this video is to show you, because out on the main lawn, which I'll show you in a bit, I left this area just to put this down and show you how easy it is to sweep. I mean, that is exactly the same, but with better nutrients, better pH, and more enriched 4mm. Look at that. Yeah, I could, well done, guys. Mantle Sun, CDB Topsoil, absolutely incredible. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is to sweep over the seed, just on this area, but the rest I will be flicking out, so I'll show you that. Oh, and if you like this, OCD 10 and you'll get 10% off. Amazing. It's cheaper than field number 4. Game changer. It's so dark. Okay, so if you wanted to buy this, it's actually being branded by the name Root and Grow. I mean, it's incredible. I'm not going to put piles out because I'm a little bit short because it's batch number 1, so I'm very lucky. So Mantle Sun. So I'm going to give it the old flick. I've already pressed this in. I'm just going to flick it out. And look at that. Look how that. Incredible stuff, guys. Let's get you a better shot of this. Can even throw it at spots. Look, throw it up, hardly anything comes down. It is so fine. Wow. We tried one at 6mm and they tried this one. They've just got this one down for 4mm. And I'm not just saying it's incredible. OCD 10, save yourself 10%. Get it on order now, right? It's a no-brainer. So, I had one wheelbarrow and let's show you how much I've done. So if we come back, just by flicking it out, we've got that much done. And we're quite a big lawn, so I only need 2 barrows, 2.5. Wow, let's get the rest done. Squeeze it and it just falls through, look. Crazy. Good stuff. Okay, 2 wheelbarrows, done all that, fantastic. You could put more out, you could put 4 out, flick some more out, but I've already done all my lawn loop work, so I'm not going to drag it because I don't need to. So I just flicked it out because I can, because that stuff's incredible. So yeah, that's their root and grow. Basically, their version of field number 4 is cheaper, lower pH, it's pH neutral, 6.5, 7. I said this, absolutely amazing. Don't need the compost roller, there's no debris in it. It is all pure 4mm screen compost. You just flick it out like that, easy, didn't take me no time. So yeah, OCD 10 if you want the code, get yourself 10% off, ring their number, I'll put the number on the screen now. It's out now, brand new. Use it. You've put organic matter, nutrients into your soil, and it's cheaper than field number 4. And in the future, it will also come in plastic bags, I do believe. It's early days at the moment, but if you want it in bags, you can. Or just put it in a barrel, flick it out. Absolutely incredible. So, free Mantle Sun, formerly known as CDB Topsoil. I think the website address is still CDB Topsoil. Get yourself some. Let me see you work with it. I'll show you this in a few weeks. This is a clay lawn. We're changing the composition. And that stuff, root and grow. Fantastic. See you soon.